Wow, we have a question on the board. The question said simplify square root of 160 raised to power 2 plus square root of 71 raised to power 71 r raised to power 4 plus square root of 100 r raised to power 8. So most students at the sight of this question, they get frightened. There's nothing to be afraid of here. So how do we approach this question? The mistake you make is trying to approach this question from the outermost term, which is 160 r square. Once you start this problem from here, you get stuck. So what do? We start solving this question from the innermost term, that is from root 100 r raised to power 8. So let's get started. So, but before that, remember when you have r raised to power 8, let's assume we have this square root of r raised to power 8. This is the same as r raised to power 8 times 1 over 2. Because if you have root 100, root 100 is the same as root 100 is 10 raised to power 2. If you express 100 in index, that is what you're going to get. So of course, this root is the same as 10 raised to power 2 times 1 over 2. Of course, these 2 will cancel these 2. At the end, we have 10 raised to power 1, which is still equal to 10. So what that means is that square root of 100 will give you 10. So having that in mind, let's go by this. So we have square root of 160 r raised to power 2 plus square root of, this is 71 r raised to power 4. So square root of 100 will give us 10, and square root of r raised to the power of 8 will give us r raised to the power of 4. So having done this, we now consider the second root. So, but of course, since the index of r in 71 is also equal to the index of r in 10, so what do? We can add up these two. So when we sum, we have square root of 160 r raised to power 2 plus, here if we sum this, we are going to have 81 r raised to power 4. Because what we are going to add here is their coefficient. That is 71 plus, of course, 71 r raised to power 4 plus 10 r raised to power 4 will give you 81 r raised to the power of 4. Also, we consider this. We have square root of 160 r raised to power 2 plus square root of 81 will give us 9, and square root of r raised to power 4 will give us r to the power of 2. We can sum this. When we sum, we have square root of 169 r raised to power of 2. So square root of 169 will give us 13, and square root of r square will give us r. So the answer to this question is 13r.